Simonalisa.
Hello angels, I did not have time to film an intro. I had like no time to get ready. I almost missed my train again. Worst part of the morning is I forgot my MP3 player at home. So now I have to listen to music on Spotify, the free version, with the ads. Bless my poor soul. Okay, let's go to the first class of the day. I'm almost there. Class is over.
My class started an hour ago. I'm still here. So my outfit's half on. Let's go. I'm too tired for this. I'm eating. You guys even answer me. I'm so scared that. Let's do a meeting. I don't know.
I'm running real late to class. I think it's like 12:30. My class started at 12. You know what? That's not that bad. Anyway, here's the outfit for the day. I put on the thigh highs that we got from Spring Halloween yesterday. And I put the little hair extensions in my hair too. This day has been really long. The coffee and sandwich did save me though. Like, that's keeping me going. Basically, because I lived on residence in my first year, I had like flex dollars on my student card, and you can use it at certain spots like cafes and whatever. So I used that. So it's like I didn't actually spend money, even though I kind of did, you know? I really haven't used much of the money on that card. So, you know what, might as well. So for my friend's birthday, we're going to be going out for dinner tonight. And we're going to go once her class is over. But until then, I think I might have another hour. So I'm going to go thrifting. This is a no. I kind of like this. I just feel like there's like too many stripes going on because of my socks. So it's making me not able to decide if I actually like this or not. I think I might leave it behind. This is a Hollister one. I kind of love how long it is. I want to get it to like wear around the house maybe. I'm gonna leave this one behind. I'm not a fan of the shade. And I also don't really like the silhouette. This shirt's kind of fun, but I think I'm still gonna leave it behind.
Okay, we're back. Sammy and Rian are playing Wii Sports. I'm gonna give you guys a little thrift haul. I ended up putting back a lot. Pretty much everything I tried on, I didn't get. I was gonna get the Hollister cardigan, but it was stained, and I realized like when I was gonna go cash out. So I put that back. So I got the Paul Frank. Paul Frank. I got the Paul flip flops. Got these low Paul Frank flip flops, and I think they're my size. They're labeled as my size from the thrift store, but I didn't check the actual sizing. And then I got these leopard print leggings. They're like a dark green. I have like a burgundy pair, and I like wearing these under like a skirt, and then it's good for layering, and it's good for winter time. if I still want to wear skirts, you know? And then we got this Victoria's Secret bag. You kind of can't even read Victoria's Secret, I feel like. Or no, maybe you can. Alright, look in the camera.
Do they know who I am?
I don't know. I don't really show like people to
They
like
know
YouTube. No.
Oh.
They might though, because I did a Spirit Halloween vlog and who's
And
in.
then we got, this is my favorite.
Oh, this? Really?
Yeah.
And I got these Hollister sweats. And I like these for when I'm feeling under the weather. And if I want to like be comfy and not ugly. Because I don't wear sweats. To be honest, I have a few pairs of sweats and I just never wear them. Yeah, this is the last one I got. I like when sweats, they're like straight leg or they flare. So yeah, even though I wear like cute little sweats, I don't wear them like ever. Because even if I'm sick, I'm like, no, I want to be cute. But I'll try like getting over that next time I get sick. But yeah, that was the haul, guys. I'll see you once we're at Red Lobster, probably eating
Oh my
for
God, are they
Sammy's
gonna see us
birthday. Deuces.
It's so annoying.
Oh, you're
Here's
doing
the
it.
birthday girl's drink.
Oh my God.
Here's my drink. It could be bad. Here's Jaden, Jesse,
We should go
Rio.
domestically and all-inclusive.
I want me and Sammy to taste test.
Oh, yeah.
Can we taste test their
Wait, we
drinks
have
at the
to
same time?
straw.
They're plastic.
Oh.
Amen.
Did anyone take medicine?
Wait a minute, look how short this straw is. If you put it all the way to the bottom,
Good
it's
thing I didn't take
gone.
my fucking broccoli.
Oh yeah. I stopped ages ago. That's why I'm still coughing. Okay, ready? Cheers!
I'm gonna see this video in a 2025
6 years.
2022, 6 years old.
It's actually really good.
Oh my god. It's gone. No way.
Wait, guys, this
I
Red
love
Lobster
this.
drink, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
They're actually cute.
Really?
It's because I'm a YouTuber, so my videos have to be longer.
I mean, you too.
I know, that's why I said it in a voice like that.
Like all
Wait, this is so great. It tastes coconutty, which I love, and it's drinks.
We're
Wanna
gonna
try
break in
mine?
here one day. I hate coconut.
I feel like you're gonna like it anyway because it's slushy.
Oh, it's
And
not bad.
The thing is, it doesn't taste like artificial syrup.
Wait, what did you get, Sammy? What is that?
That's a mango
Oh,
something.
that's
Yeah.
good. Are you gonna mix it? I feel like.
I can't really reach it.
Oh right, because it's short. You know, I think it's better
It's okay,
to
'cause
not
that's not
mix
alcohol,
it.
that's grenade.
Yeah.
And it already tastes good.
Try it.
Are you sure you want me trying it?
Yeah, bitch, we're all fucking ill. Look at that
Where do you
fat
think
ass
you got her
pineapple.
the fucking sickness from?
The thing is, it's a real pineapple.
Yeah.
Because this one
Oh,
time,
this
I
is
got an
neat.
expensive ass
This
cocktail,
is
and the
good.
pineapple was like one of those, like you get in a can and it's artificial. Everyone have a sip.
I want some.
You guys have to try it.
But
Yeah.
That's
Or
really
are you
pushing it
scared
for
of getting
him.
really ill?
I would order
It's actually good.
Oh,
What the fuck, Jesse? Did you actually get like? Do you like it?
Yeah.
I know, right? What if you got it mailed here? It would be cheaper to just buy me here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I would not trust
Yes,
sir.
It looks good. Wait, everyone's
You're gonna have to tell me how to have this because
Jesse.
Wait, I'm so excited.
You think all they use to season their food is salt here?
And instead of paying his power bill, he just bought more food.
I'm not a fan of that potato.
Yes, he should.
That potato only has salt in it. Barely.
red stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, bruh.
Oh, Jesus.
It looks like
It's the most similar percent.
like think of
Oh my
but
god.
in a
Ugly fucking style.
introverted-
Stinks, sweats, creep.
same offensive compliment to that. I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah.
Which I think that was the line in the song. If that was the line in the song, like that's stupid. You couldn't come up with something a little more original. I don't think he has any original lines that he's come up with ever. I come up with better lines in my kitchen when I'm cooking and joking around.
When she's cooking.
When I'm cooking, I'm cooking. Oh, I actually meant cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah.
But I think you guys, I don't say cooking in the other way. I only say it in the literal sense.
Whoa.
I'm
That
happy
was a lot of work, guys.
I think I see like
you have
sweat
to-
on your forehead. When you lean back, it shined in the light.
Knocking stuff over, he like hit the pot and the lid went ajar in the
Happy birthday, dear Sammy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. We just finished eating. The best part was definitely the cocktails. The food was good, but the portions are tiny. There's the birthday girl. Shammy mammy. It's so perfect that we came to Red Lobster because your favorite color is red. Was that? I just had a meeting for a fashion exhibit I'm planning for my school. now. I think I'm gonna go thrifting before my next class. But yeah, this is the first update of the day. I didn't see you guys during the morning. Last night, basically after Red Lobster, we usually either watch One Tree Hill or we play games, like on the Switch. I was just like stressed and feeling like nauseous, so I was just doing work and stuff, and then I watched Skins and tried to like go to sleep to calm myself down. But yeah, okay, let's go thrifting. It's not looking like a great day to thrift. This one's just kind of like picked through, and I don't really have much time, but I'll do a mini try on. My vision for this shirt is to either layer under shirts or wear it kind of off the shoulder like this, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I think I'm gonna get this, and I'll probably cinch it at the waist so it's kind of slouched at the top, up it a little bit, and then have it be a shirt. Or I might wear it as like a dress and cinch it, I'm not sure yet. So I was really not trying to stay in that class. I was bored and I'm still coughing, so it just felt like being there was making my cough even worse, and it's probably bothering the people that were actually trying to pay attention. So I'm going home now. I'm really excited to go home, and I guess I could still film this because tomorrow's Friday. I don't have classes Friday, but I'm gonna go thrifting, which would probably be its own video. And I'm gonna go with Mimo. Mimo's my sister, if you guys don't know. She has a long weekend, so we're gonna go thrifting, and we're gonna start having like Halloween movie marathons and Halloween cookies if they're selling them anywhere. I haven't seen them, so I'm not sure.